Here are 5 highly regarded video cameras priced under $500. 1. Panasonic Lumix DMC G7. This mirrorless camera offers 4K video recording capabilities, a 16-megapixel sensor, and a versatile micro Four Thirds lens mount. 2. Canon VIXIA HF G20. This compact camcorder boasts excellent image quality, a 10x optical zoom lens, and advanced image stabilization features. 3. Sony RX100 III. Although primarily designed as a high-quality compact still camera, the RX100 III also offers impressive video capabilities, including 1080p recording at up to 60 fps and a large 1-inch sensor. 4. GoPro Hero 8 Black. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is a popular action camera known for its ruggedness and versatility. It can shoot 4K video at 60 fps and offers advanced features like hyper-smooth stabilization. 5. Nikon D3500. While primarily a still camera, the D3500 can capture good quality 1080p video. It features a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor and offers compatibility with a wide range of Nikon lenses. Please note that camera models and prices may change over time, so it's a good idea to check the latest offerings and reviews before making a purchase.